Hello and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own rose petals toner at home, and I am going to be using a way different way to make it. I'm not going to be steaming my rose petals or even hitting it near the flame. So if you guys want to know how I'm going to be making these rose petals, please keep watching and please let's dive into the video. And over here, before we go out and do anything, I make sure that my surrounding is very clean. Let me tilt down the video so you guys could see properly. Just a minute, let me pause. So I hope you guys could see. These are my rose petals here. Before I do anything with them, I make sure that I wash them properly and I put them in the freezer. So it's been in the fridge until I decided to use it today. So if you want to do yours the same way, you're welcome to do so. And also I'm going to go ahead now and pluck, and I'll walk you through how I'm going to be making these rose petals. So I'm going to pause and then I'll bring you back when everything is plucked and we'll take it from there. Thank you guys. Okay, so I finished plucking my petals and this is what I have here. I am gonna go ahead now and go on with the process of making this cold process rose petals. So keep watching guys. Thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take out, this is my coffee blender that I'm gonna be using making this rose petal. I'm gonna put the flowers in here and I'm gonna actually blend them. And another way you could also do this cold process toner, cold process rose petals toner, you could just infuse it with, like, put it in your, whether you want to use a toner or if you want to use rose water, you could just put it, mix everything together and put it in a bottle and just leave it out for like a week. So in 1 week it should be able to infuse. So that way you know that you did not kill all the enzymes in it. You know, you're not using the cold, the hot, the heat, you know, on it. So these are my petals here. I have them in there. Let me put this one aside. Okay, so after putting them here, you know, I can't go ahead and blend it dry. It's not going to work. So I'm going to be using my Witch Hazel here, and this is the alcohol-free Witch Hazel. If you don't have Witch Hazel, you could use rose water in making yours. And also using the Witch Hazel will help preserve your rose petal, you know, for a longer period of time. So like I was saying, that I'm going to be using the Witch Hazel, which will help preserve my toner for a long period. Even with that, I'm still going to go ahead and add a preservative because I don't want it to go bad in just in a couple of days. Okay, so to play safe, I'm going to be using this, and I'll also be preserving it later on, and I'll show you guys as I go through the process. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to measure out a cup. I'm going to measure out half a cup of my Witch Hazel to blend with the with the petals that I have in there. So I'm using half a cup. Oh, I'm making a mess there. There, got a cup there. And maybe after I blend it, I might be able to like add some more. But for now, let's just use that because I don't want to put it too much. I don't want to fill it up too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend, and I hope. So after blending it, this is how everything looks like. I might have to add some more liquid Witch Hazel in it, but it's, you know, it's so thick. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more of that in, and then I'm gonna go ahead now and strain it. And you know, I'll put you guys on a pause again, and I'll come back when I strain everything. I'll show you guys. Okay, so I added another cup, half a cup of my Witch Hazel in here, and this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna go ahead and strain it, and I'll walk you guys through the process. And here is my my strainer here that I'm going to be using. I bought this from Amazon. So I'm going to put everything in here, and we will strain it to get out the juice, which is what we're looking for. So So I'm gonna pour that in there and let it strain out. You know, give it some time to make sure everything, all the juice go down in the container. And I also have my bottle here. Usually you're supposed to use the dark bottle, but I'm using the bright one, so I will show you guys how everything looks like. I will probably, you know, have to go back later and put it in a darker bottle to prevent it from any sun radiation or something, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this process here. Look how everything is straining out so nice. I hope you guys could see. See, we have our rose petal juice there. Looks good. Look at that. It's beautiful. So if you have any question concerning this, okay, so this is our rose petals here. They're ready. You might, if you feel like it's too thick or too deep, you could also go ahead and add some more of your witch hazel, or if, like I said, if you have rose water and you want to use rose water, it's all fine, you could use that. But for me, I'm going to be using it like this. So I am going to go ahead now and also preserve it. I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of my preservative, because I really don't want it to go bad. Because if you don't preserve it and you don't use either of these, and even when you use it the witch hazel, sometimes it might really go bad. And it does really smell so bad, so you don't want to do that. So I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of my preservative, which is the 1%, to preserve my rose toner. So this is a toner you could use under your makeup, or after you shower, you do all your makeup on your face, and you know, after that you could just use it to balance, you know, balance your face, for balancing. You know, it's very beneficial to the skin. It also helps in anti-aging, and also from the side protect you from the sun. So rose toner, you could go ahead and read about it. It's very beneficial to the skin, and you know, every woman should have this. And another option, another way you could use a rose petals is you could just put a little bit of it and put it in the fridge. So in the morning when you're going out, you take it and put it in your bag. And when you go out and you feel like, oh, you're hot or dry or something, you just spray it on your face, and it is so good. Guys, try it and please let me know. So now that I have added my preservative, I'm gonna go ahead now and pour it in the bottle. My body is also already sprayed with alcohol, so it's clean. So if you want to do, you also want to make sure everything is clean. And now I'm gonna go ahead. I left this extra petals here that I want to use to just, you know, to make it look nice. I'm gonna be putting that in a bottle before I pour the juice in there, so you guys can see. So if you have any question concerning this DIY, please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And thank you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Okay guys, so now that I preserve it, this will last me up to like 3 to 6 months. But also, even though it's preserved, make sure before you use it you check, because sometimes things don't work the way we plan for them to work. So you make sure you check it to make sure it's not bad. So this is how the petals look like. I'm gonna go ahead now and use it. You could use it over your makeup or after you wash your face to balance your skin, you know. So just make sure you spray it. Close your eyes, just take it farther away from your face and just spread it. And also make sure you spread it on your neck, because you don't want to neglect your neck. I'm gonna make a video talking about the neck, because I know a lot of us don't care about our neck, because this is it. Oh, so refreshing. It's good. I love it. I'm gonna go on the neck, spray my neck. It's good. It's beautiful. It smells good too. So try this at home, and please let me know how you like it. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye bye.